Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. This vehicle is featured in black metallic paint with alloy rims. We also have our Z71 package, roof racks, as well as our running boards. On the inside we have heated seats, as well as a tonneau cover on the truck bed. Now on to the interior of the Avalanche. You can see on our door panel we have our chrome door handle, memory seat option, as well as heated seat controls. Our lock and unlock, as well as window and mirror controls with power mirror fold-in, then speaker and storage underneath. Inside we have our black seats, black leather, as well as our phone holder, center console, and we have our cup holders and radio in the middle, gauge cluster with Z71 badging, and then off to the left, four-wheel drive and lighting controls. On the exterior of the vehicle, we have our alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps, Avalanche badging in chrome, as well as our running boards, paint match mirror caps and door handles, rear privacy tint, and Z71 badging. Then around to the back of the vehicle, we have our Avalanche badging in chrome, as well as a flex fuel badging and hitch for a trailer. On the rear interior, we also have our black door panel, window switch and chrome door handle, as well as speaker underneath. Storage in the back of the front seats, then our rear climate controls and some charging outlets, as well as cup holders back of the center console. We also have black leather in the rear with the fold-down center seat, featuring two cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk-around of the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.